Welcome to the Yoga Burn Booty Challenge, the first truly progressive and super easy to follow booty shaping, tightening, and toning routine designed exclusively for women. What makes this booty sculpting routine so unique and effective is the revolutionary Prime, Activate, Pump method, which was developed based on the proven principle of progressive overload. PAP is designed to ensure you do the right exercise, in the right order, for the right amount of time, to perfectly target and work all three parts of the booty to the max, so that you get the best results possible out of every single workout. By following the breakthrough Prime, Activate, and Pump method, you can look forward to finally seeing the very best booty shaping results possible, along with the improved health, energy, flexibility, and faster metabolism that's naturally delivered with a professionally designed workout.